Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello. 안녕하세요. konnichiwa. 사와디하. Mabuhay. Welcome back to Solo channel. Today, we are going to learn Year 1 Phonics. The sounds of the alphabets G, O, C, and K. Sebelum itu, saya mahu mengimbas kembali pembelajaran kita yang lepas. Kamu masih ingat bunyi S, A, T dan juga P? The sound for alphabet S is S. Please repeat after me. S, S, S. Well done. The next one is A. We have two sounds for A. It's either A, or it can be E. How about T? Yes, T. And the next one, P, B. Let's proceed with I, M, N, and D. The sound of I should be E. And the correct sound for alphabet M is And for N, it should be N. And the last one, D. D. Good job, everyone. Let's proceed to our lesson today, shall we? Mari kita mulakan. Our first alphabet in today's lesson is G, and the sound should be G. Repeat after me, please. Sila ulang. G. Again. G. Good. Bagus. G. Good. Repeat after me. G. Good. Girl, budak perempuan. G, girl. Repeat after me. G, girl. The sound for alphabet O is O. Repeat after me, please. O. Orange, buah limau. Orange. Orange. Octopus, sotong. Repeat after me, please. Octopus. Octopus. The sound for alphabet C is K. Repeat after me. K. Again. K. Cap, topi. K, cap. K, cap. Cow, lembu. Moo. K, cow. Again. K, cow. The last one is K. The sound for this alphabet is similar with alphabet C. Bunyi K sama dengan bunyi C. It should be K. Repeat after me, please. K. One more time. K. Kite, layang-layang. K. Kite. Again. K. Kite. Key, kunci. K. Key. One more time. K. Key. Alright, it's exercise time. Exercise 1. In this exercise, if you can print out the worksheet, you have to listen and color the words correctly. Jika anda boleh print lembaran kerja ini, sila dengar dan warnakan perkataan yang saya sebut. If not, you just have to listen and write the answers in your exercise book. Jika tidak boleh print, anda hanya perlu dengar dan tulis perkataan yang saya sebut. di dalam buku latihan anda. 1. Cap. Cap. 2. Girl. Girl. 3. Octopus. Octopus. 4. Cow. Cow. 5. Key. Key. 6. Orange. Orange. 7. Kite. Kite. And the last one, 8. Key. Key. Exercise 2. In this exercise, you have to read with me and write the answers. But if you cannot print out the worksheet, you just have to read with me and write the answers in your exercise book. Di dalam latihan ini, anda perlu membaca bersama saya dan tulis jawapan yang betul. Jika tidak boleh print bahan, anda perlu baca dan tulis jawapan yang betul dalam buku latihan anda. 1. Goat. Goat. Try to guess this word and write the answer. Sila teka perkataan ini dan tulis jawapannya. 2. Orange. Do you remember? Orange. 3. Meow. Cat. It starts with k and it has 3 letters. Dia bermula dengan k dan ada 3 huruf. Cat. 4. Frog. Do you remember g? Yes, the g should be at the end. Bunyi g, dia berada di belakang. It has 4 letters, dia ada 4 huruf. G. Frog. Try to guess and write the answer. Cuba teka dan tulis jawapan. 5. Key. Key. 6. Girl. Girl. 7. Good. Good. And the last one, 8. Kite. Kite. Have you finished? If yes, let's check the answers together. Exercise 1. 1. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. 2. Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. 3. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. 4. Cow. C-O-W. 5. Key. K-E-Y. 6. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. 7. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. 8. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Exercise 2. 1. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. 2. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Please read after me, ya. Sila baca bersama saya. 3. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. 4. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. 5. Key. K-E-Y. Key. 6. Girl. G-I-R-L. 7. Good. G-O-O-D. D. And the last one, 8, kite, K-I-T-E. How was it, everyone? Did you able to get all correct? If yes, congratulations. If no, it's okay. The most important thing is you give your best. And also, you enjoy my lesson. That's what I really hope for. And for that, thanks for watching. 감사합니다. 아리가또 고자이마스. ขอบคุณค่ะ Salamat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next videos. Till then, bye. 안녕.